Hi everyone, today I will show you how to download and install ZK BioTime software. So for that, go to your default browser and first log in yourself by providing your credentials. Then go to support. From there you need to go to software, and after that click here software, and here is the BioTime software setup file. So you need to click download, again download now. So it is getting downloaded and it will take some time. As I have previously downloaded it, let me take you to that part. Right click here and click run as administrator. Okay, then click run and click yes. Here you need to select your language. So here I am selecting English as the default language, clicking OK. Here you need to click start, and here you need to select end user license agreement, data processing agreement, and personal information protection and privacy policy. If you want to view the license agreement and data processing agreement, you can simply click here, and from there you can read it. Then click agree. Here this is the installation path, C ZK BioTime. So this is the installation path of BioTime software. Click yes, and then this is the service port. So this is the default service port of BioTime. If you want to change the service port, then you can change simply by clicking here. So I am letting it to be same as 80. Click next, and here comes the database. So by default the database is PostgreSQL database. So BioTime software will be paired up with PostgreSQL database. If you want to pair up with any other database, then click other database, and here MS SQL Server, MySQL, and Oracle. You can pair up with any of the database by providing the credentials. And here I am just staying with the default database, which is PostgreSQL database. Click post, click next. So this is the database backup path, C ZK BioTime files and backup. So this is the path where the database backup will be get stored. Click next and click install. So right now it will extract some files and the installation process will begin, and it will take some time. So here it is initializing the database. Okay, once your installation get completed, you just need to select yes, restart the computer now, and you need to click finish and let your computer to get restarted. Okay, once your PC got restarted, you can view the ZK BioTime logo here. You need to click here, and you need to make sure that your antivirus and firewall protection is off, otherwise the software will not open. So I have turned it off, my firewall protection and antivirus. So here it opened. I need to create one super user. So let me name it admin, give the mail address, and give your password. And click confirm. So here it got saved. You need to click login. Okay, so these are the password protection question. You can create your question and answer it, so that if you forget your password, you can reset it through your question. So here I am just skipping it, and here is the software open. This is the front dashboard of BioTime software, and thank you.